Hello everyone, welcome to Cybrosys Technologies. In today's video, we'll be discussing about the cash rounding in Odoo 19 accounting. So let's dive into the accounting module. And from here, we can move on to the configuration settings and we need to enable the cash rounding. So as you just drag down here, you would be able to see that we have the cash rounding. And once it's enabled, you can just configure the cash rounding over here. So you can find that we have cash rounding and I'm going to set it as 0.5 as the rounding precision. And we can set the cash rounding uh, difference gain over here. And afterwards, we can set it as cash cash difference loss. Okay. And you can round up over here and let's save it. Once it's done, you can um, move on with the other options. So let me duplicate this and let's set it as half down. And let's move on, set it as cash difference gain. And here, cash difference loss. And let's set it as down. And let's save it. And later on, I would like to create other cash rounding as nearest. And let's set it as the rounding precision as 0.20. Okay. And here we can set the cash rounding, cash difference, the account for managing the profit as well as the loss. So you can just use the cash difference gain as well as cash difference loss over here. And let's set to nearest. And let's save the changes that we have made. So once it's done, you can move on. Yeah, you can see all the created cash roundings over here. Now let's move on to the invoices. And from the invoices, you can just click on new. And here we have the customer deco edit. And you can choose a product, which is, let's say the product over here is the customizable desk. And let's move on and let's set it as 749.3. And I don't need to add any taxes over here. So currently you can see that the price of the product is 749.30. Now let's move on to the other info, and in the other info you would be able to see the cash rounding, and you can just go ahead with half up. And let me save it. And once you just move on to there, and when you move on to the invoices, you can see that it is just round to up, and it's set as 749.50, and we have just rounded 0.20 over here. Now let me change this into half down. Now you can see that the change will be taking and it will be showing over here, and we have just um, subtracted 0.3 over here. So a loss has taken place over here, and finally we'll be only collecting the amount 749 from the customer. Now let me change the price of the product over here. For that, let me change the cash rounding method as nearest, and let's save it. And now let me here you can see when you just set it as nearest, you can see it will be going with the precision, and that will be converted as 749.40 when you just use the cash rounding as nearest. So it's very easy to manage the coinage in the Odoo 19. So that's all for today. If you find this video informative, please do like, share and subscribe our channel. If you want Odoo customization, Odoo implementation and Odoo tutorial videos, feel free to contact Cybrosys. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching the video.